Hello, beautiful people. Have a blessed day.
Hello, beautiful people.
I have Lucilla here with me, and we're going on an adventure. What are we about to do today, Lou?
We're about to frame my big old mirror. So wait till you see what we do it, when we do it, how we do it. We're gonna frame my mirror today. You're gonna see what we're gonna buy.
You're just gonna see. All right, guys, let's go to Home Depot. Woo!
Oh wait,
Oh, Lucy said wait.
this is my list.
All right.
Picking up Angel, check.
So silly. All right, bye. So beautiful people, I forgot to record while we were in Home Depot. But we got the clips. So totally forgot to record while we were in Home Depot, as I said. But we got the clips. Is that your car over there? No. Oh, parked over here. So now we're on our way back to her house. Oh, I lied. We gotta go to Michael's. We gotta go to Michael's.
Yes.
I can't see anything.
Me neither.
We're on our way to Michael's.
Maybe you can look at some plant stuff with us.
I'm so upset that you whispered to me. We gotta go to Michael's. I'm crying. All right, let's get in this car. Say hello to the vlog, Mom.
Hello, beautiful people. Have a blessed day.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
Love you too, you little rascal.
Oh, Mama.
Bye.
We are in Michael's,
Hello.
and we're gonna find
We should do
plants.
gingerbread houses.
Oh my God, that'd be so much fun. I remember doing that at St. Angela's. It was like the
We
best.
should do one at your house.
Gingerbread.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. They got Sour Patch ones too. That's crazy. Okay, well we're walking towards plant section.
Plants.
Do you know what kind of plants you think you want to get?
I want all type of greeneries.
Yeah.
No flowers, because you know you can just be in and out season. You know, you want something
Yeah.
that looks just nice and warm and tropical.
Yeah.
Some vines.
We got some greens down there, and we got some greens over
Vine
here.
and stuff here.
Yeah. That's pretty.
$20.
Oh yeah, you gonna be spending money today, girl. At least you don't have to buy wood.
Let's see what else they got.
That's being honest and truthful because it's holiday season.
It is holiday season. Alright, let's see. Stuff.
You saw a little stupid stuff. I'm crying.
Alright, we'll
This
come
is kind of
back.
fun.
Yeah.
A little drizzy.
This is nice, but it's a stick. It's not like a.
It's like
Alright, we might have to take some of these viney ones.
little swizz, like at the side of the mirror. Swizz. All right, so you like the ones that are like kind of already together. You really just need it for the top.
What about the whole thing?
Well, yeah.
Well,
yeah.
we'll see what we get. Let's look into some others.
So you got two. All right. We can always hit up the dollar store.
Is there another one on the other side?
No, just Play-Doh and stuff. Oh, down there. Down this aisle has green.
Oh, Angel, down there's the flower thing. I don't.
Okay. Trigger warning. I'm not gonna show people it. She doesn't like this stuff.
Good gravy. That was so bad. All right, let's see. This is nice, but I don't know how we would glue it to
Yeah,
the
just
thing.
cut it. We'll probably grab something from over here. You see any other plants you like? Maybe we should hit a Dollar
I like
Tree.
those.
Like these? Yeah, these are nice. I'm sorry, people. I wasn't showing y'all nothing. Well, not this one. This one got gang signs. Oh, that's a good one.
So probably 2, like just to put at the top.
Yeah. 2 or 1?
$14. Maybe one in the middle.
Yeah. Or maybe on the corner.
Yeah. This is what I have in my hand.
Yeah, like that would be nice. Like that together.
Yeah.
And the way we could kind of fake it is like,
Can we get some green moss?
like put this is how we could kind of fake it. Just sorry y'all that you have to see all of this. Or maybe not. You know, like drape it on this. Now grab your little thing that you were thinking about, just so we could kind of get an idea. We gotta cut the stems, obviously. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. How do you feel about it?
In there. You dropped one.
So, we got some plants. We picked up also some Christmas decor for my tree. And we're gonna go to Lowe's to find more stuff. And Lucy got cupcake stuff because she's doing Friendsgiving.
Yeah.
But yeah, so.
Oh, wait, come here, Angel. One day I'm gonna paint on something this big.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, girl. Hello, beautiful people. I am at Lucy and Angelo's house. And Caesar, he got his waffle. Caesar, say hi. Say hi. Caesar. He's like, smell. They have a beautiful home. And this is the room we're gonna be putting up La Mirror. A little close up right here. Boom, 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 you see me. What do you do, baby? Boom, boom, boom. Caesar.
You just go figure it out.
Sit. Caesar.
Sit.
Wow, such a distinguished gentleman.
Thank you very much.
Such a cutie. All right, so yeah, this is what we're working with.
Oh wait. Follow him at Top Dog Caesar.
He's like, don't embarrass me. He's like, don't embarrass me. He's like, don't embarrass me. He has like one of the best dog Instagram accounts though, like for compared to other people's. Yeah. But yeah, so we're about to mount this mirror on this wall, and we're doing our own little plant border for the top. And so, can't wait to show you. Yeah. Died, ironically. It really did. Well, it didn't die. I had no more space. I didn't clean out the camera chip. But we finished the mirror. Isn't it amazing?
It's so nice.
Alright, let me switch the camera around so y'all can see it. Boop. Caesar's sleeping. He had a long day. But this is the mirror. It looks amazing. Look at this.
So yeah, this is the mirror. It looks super cute. Thank you, sister. My sister helped me.
You're welcome, sister.
I don't have to throw away the mirror now because I have it and it's up on the wall.
Oh gosh, Lucy.
But no, thanks, Angel, for helping me. You always help me out and do so much nice things for me.
Yay!
She made this process really easy and she finished super fast.
I know, we did this together. And that's her and Angel. I put that there.
Oh, and Caesar. We'll move the leaf.
Oh, Caesar's there too. But yeah, so boom, it's popping.
It's giving.
It's